This is the video about managing anemia treatment in RenalGenie. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Introducing an innovative way to manage anemia treatment in just a few clicks. First, click on the patient profile. At the submenu on the left, select Anemia Treatment. To add blood transfusion, click Blood Transfusion and click the plus icon. Fill in the details, then click Save. Blood transfusion treatment are now recorded. If you click on the drop-down arrow, you will have the option to edit and delete. We also have the PRCA/immunogenic option. To add new, click on the plus icon. Fill in the details, and click Save. The PRCA/immunogenic are now recorded. If you click on the drop-down arrow, you will have the option to edit and delete. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.